Kenna. Oh my gosh. Oh yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh yeah. It's Vlogmas Day 19.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling too. Ring, 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 ring. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling.
Hey guys, so for my outfit today, this is starting to get repetitive. Clearly I like things to be the same, but it's also more because I wake up way too late. But no makeup, same jewelry as every day, hair is still wavy from a braid, and then I have on this neon yellow greenish knit sweater. This is from Kohl's, and right now I just have the sleeves kind of rolled because they were bothering me, and it's a little bit cropped and shorter. And then I have on these black stretchy dress pants. They're still a dress pant material, but they don't have a button or anything. They're just like stretchy and they get skinny at the bottom. Don't know where these are from. And then I have my all black slip-on Vans. Hey guys, so it is that time again where Kenna and I do our gift exchange together. If you guys have watched my Vlogmas before, in the previous years, you will know that one of my best friends, Kenna, lives out of state, and we always do a gift exchange and mail each other stuff every year. So of course, all the previous years will be linked down below. And yes, we always try to outgift each other. I think this year I was more stable, didn't go above and beyond due to all the financial stuff that we are dealing with, like just having the wedding 2 months ago and now having to get a new car after the accident. But either way, we always like tell each other a limit and try to surprise each other with something. So without further ado, let's get into it. One of the first things that Kenna got me actually is already on the Christmas tree. I will insert a picture of it. It was so cute, and it probably did top anything that I got her already. I haven't even seen anything else that she's gotten me because it was so cute. It's a custom ornament from Zazzle, and it has a photo of Joey and I on the front and back and the date, and it's so cute, and she used our professional photos to get it made. So I'll insert a picture of that. I did open it early on Vlogmas Day 1 because we were decorating the tree and she wanted me to open it early. So that's why I already know about that. First thing I see is a small box. Oh, it's cute. It's a necklace. It's like a little envelope. What is this? I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like a little envelope. You can open it. Kenna. Oh my gosh. I have to figure out how to fully open it, but I see a photo of us. It comes out. Oh my gosh. Kenna, you outdid yourself this year. I guess I'll have to let you win for once. True friendship knows no distance. Look, it's so tiny and so cute. I'll have to get a close-up of it. Kenna. Oh my god. That is so cute. And it goes inside the little envelope. I literally love you. That's pretty much it. I love this. This is like better than any friendship necklace or bracelet. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. And the ornament. I'm gonna start with this one. Okay, first thing I see are funny oven mitts. I did have these on my wish list. I just had different kinds, so let's see. I'm excited. Don't make me poison your food. And I can feel like a boss. I can bake some cookies or cook some food. Or when Joey's cooking most of the time, he can wear them. He probably won't, but how cute. Merry Christmas, Zoey. All of this stuff is so random, but I hope you love it all. LOL from Kenna. I will always love it all. My wish list is always so random too, so. Dip powder nail kit. Oh my god. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I had stopped getting my nails done because I just didn't want to keep up with it. and it's expensive, but I also don't like doing my nails at home, and I feel like regular nail polish chips, so I'm so excited. Look how cute these little dip powders are. Oh my god. There's a little brush and different colored polishes. Love this. This is a giant box. Pickleball! That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at this. So there's a little net bag. 2 green pickleballs. 2 white pickleballs. Oh my god, look at these paddles. There's a 2 set. So they have cherries on this side, and they're pink, of course, the best color ever. And then the brand, and then like a checkered print in pink and white. So if you guys haven't played pickleball, you need to. We have a couple places out here that are known for pickleball, and then they have food. It's kind of like tennis, but a little bit different, obviously. Our team went on a retreat last June, and we went to this pickleball place, and it was so much fun, and you have to pay extra for the ball and the paddle, and so anytime I need to go pickleballing, I have one now, and we've had so many different work events where someone brings like a net and pickleball stuff, so I'm bringing this probably actually tomorrow to work in case there is pickleball. Probably not now that it's cold, unless they have a way to set it up inside, but just in case, you need to keep it in the car, you know, because who knows when you're going to need to play pickleball. Tomorrow we have our Jingle Jam at work, and they have a bunch of games and food, so I feel like there's going to be pickleball or something. Thank you, Kenna. And then last box here. Box inside a box. Yay! This is for your desktop, and it's like a little whiteboard that you can organize stuff on, write a to-do list, and it has storage. So it has like, it comes with little markers and an eraser, and you can put like sticky notes in there. You can have this up if you need to, but then you can also use it on your desk as a whiteboard. I love it. That is everything Kenna got me. Thank you so much, Kenna. Now let's get into what I got her. She also filmed it for her TikTok, so I will try to remember to leave her TikTok down below or on the screen, so you guys can check out her videos. I'll also link her YouTube channel, but she's just doing TikTok right now. But she is doing Vlogmas over on TikTok, so make sure you go show her some love. And let's see what I got Kenna.
I've got gifts to open. I'm so excited. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 19. She did say that one is still in the mail, but it probably won't be here till really late tomorrow night. She's going to send me a picture of it on my iPad, and I will show you guys once I get that. I have 3 boxes to open. Okay, I'm most curious about this one because it rattles and I have no idea what it is. Zoey's like queen of sentimental gifts, so I'm assuming, if I were to have to assume, sentimental gift. It didn't come from Amazon. We send each other our Amazon wish lists every year, and this one did not come from Amazon, so let's see what it is. What is this? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I'm gonna hang it in my office. It sends me like cute little things from this company of us, like little characters of us. So it's like a sun. It's like you hang it in a window and it, like, I don't know how to explain it, but this is me, that's her, except I have brown hair now, but it's fine. Zoey and Kenna. You hang a chain on it, or you can suction cup it to a window, and when the sun shines through, it like lights all of this up like these colors. So cute. Thank you, Zoey. This couple came from Amazon. I did wrap them because they were put underneath my tree. As you guys know, like, I have to have everything match. Fun making yummy sourdough. She got me a sourdough dowel, wooden spatula. Been needing this. Y'all know the struggle. So excited for this. Thank you, Zoey. Oh, don't mind my background. I'm obviously not keeping these in the frames, waiting on them, but I wanted to hang them up just so that I knew where they were gonna go. This is this big box from Amazon. I'm assuming that there's multiple gifts in this box. There were 6 total, including the one that's on its way still. First thing I see is an Octo Buddy. I am so excited for this. And it's hot pink, of course, because what other color would it be? Yay! Off-brand ones suck. They don't work. Thank you, Zoey. Little keychain. It says, I hope we're friends until we die, and then I hope we stay ghost friends and walk through walls and scare the shit out of people. I'm down. This was on my wish list. This is Drawing Without Dignity. Me and Trace have been trying to grow our game collection for like game nights and stuff and like date nights. So I'm so excited about this. I read the reviews and people say it's really fun. Yay! Thank you! Oh, yes, yes, yes. This was also on my wish list. Spice rack, you know, cabinet or whatever. Expandable spice rack. We have so many spices and I just want to be organized. So I'm so excited for this. Thank you, Zoey. I really needed that. Last thing in this box is this really cute picture frame. I went to her wedding back in October and we got professional pictures taken. Crazy because the last time we saw each other before that was like 10 years ago. Definitely gonna put this in my office. I'm redoing my office right now and I'm gonna put my favorite wedding photo of us in there. Side by side or miles apart, friends are always close at heart. Cute. Need more office decoration, so I'm so excited for this. Now I'm going to show you guys, she sent me a picture of the last gift. Oh yeah. Came off of my wish list and it's this oversized like red washed hoodie, which I'm so excited for. I love hoodies, if you guys couldn't tell. That was everything that Zoey got me for our Christmas exchange this year.
Treat time. Oh, we got those one biscuits. Couldn't tell you what flavor, but we have bacon bites cookie, chicken pot pie, carrot cake, and peanut butter. We got an uneven number. Might give the extra to Marley unless I can get this in half easily. Ready? Oh, that was gentle. Good girl. Ready, Sadie? You got it. No, you just let it hit you in the face. Ready, Mar? What the heck? Maybe I threw that over her head. Okay, ready, Sadie? Okay, I did throw that bad too. So it broke in pieces trying to break it, so that went well. Ready, Mar? No. Sadie. Good girl! It's chocolate time. Another heart. This one looks like the dark chocolate one. The dark chocolate ganache heart. Give me a sound effect.
Wait.
Day 19. The Santa has a weird body proportion, but we're not judging. And then so does the reindeer. Like, why is his legs like that thin compared to his body? This one says enjoy, so hopefully we enjoy it. Wow. This is gonna take forever. There they are. Cute. I think I say all of them are cute because they are. I fell asleep on the couch. I'm exhausted. So that means it's time to start editing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I upload, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.